Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error couldn't load launcher. It's easy. If you want to fix this issue, all you need to do just type here control panel and click on it. Now maybe you'll find it like that. If you find it like that, just click view by and make it small icons, and here we'll find Java. Click on it and then go to update, and that's it. Just click update now, and after that try to launch Minecraft, and if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next method. Type here apps and features and click on it. Now type here Minecraft, and here we'll find Minecraft launcher, and now click advanced options, and then just click repair, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.